Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Turn left on.
Where are you? Are you ready to eat ice cream? What are you doing, dude? It's the other side. It's the other side, you donut. No, it's the other side. This is one way. It's the other side. This is one way. This is one way. You have to go to that side. What are you doing? You gotta go to that side.
Come on, let's go. Oh, stop sign. Kill you. Kill you. Come on, here's some. That's what I actually have to. The way, bro. Why would you merge all the way over here?
Why is everybody in the wrong lane? Oh my.
Destination is on the left.
What? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Come on.
So we go out there Saturday morning.
Round Rock.
And then... Whoa!
My God.
I had a cousin, Mia. She is 12. She can't talk and didn't communicate with us before. Recently, she got an iPad and started typing.
You are an idiot. Okay. I guess you're privileged. Sorry.
I was like, hers is only bigger because she got to pick the size. She had to buy it.
Good Lord.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.